Welcome to the BrainCODE training module and Introduction to SPReD. Before proceeding with today's training module, ensure you've completed the following training modules first: the BrainCODE Portal overview and the BrainCODE Subject ID Naming Convention training modules. If you have successfully completed these, please continue on watching. This module is intended for users who will be viewing or uploading neuroimaging and related data within an existing SPReD project. Training overview, SPReD introduction. Today we will talk about how to access SPReD, the general overview of the SPReD XNAT platform including BrainCODE data upload and the central hierarchy, file formats accepted by SPReD, and how to make possible edits including deletions within SPReD. We will also briefly go over some security guidelines such as sharing data and de-identification. The BrainCODE portal is available at braincode.ca. The BrainCODE portal is a single point of entry for all data capture tools and contains other resources such as a file repository and discussion forum. SPReD Access Production Instance. To access the production instance of SPReD through the BrainCODE portal, select the Data Captures tool tab and then select Enter Data beneath the SPReD logo. You will then be redirected to spread.braincode.ca/SPReD. Here you will be asked to sign in with your credentials that you will receive upon successful completion of the training modules. SPReD Access Training Instance. To access the training site for SPReD through the BrainCODE portal, select the Data Captures tool tab, then select the Training Site button beneath the logo. Never enter real research data onto the training site. And remember, data is deleted within 1 month. When you click on the Training Site button, you will be redirected to spreaddev.braincode.ca/SPReD. This training site can be used to practice uploads and get familiarized with SPReD. Under no circumstances, though, should real data be uploaded to this instance. Overview of the SPReD XNAT platform. SPReD is a tool for storing, searching, and accessing neuroimaging data based on the open-source XNAT neuroimaging database. XNAT.org facilitates common management, productivity, and quality assurance tasks for imaging and associated data. XNAT can be utilized to support a wide range of imaging-based projects. The original stroke patient recovery research database, known as SPReD, was developed by the Center for Stroke Recovery and the Rotman Research Institute at Baycrest. The current version of the BrainCODE SPReD is based on XNAT. SPReD XNAT is a comprehensive database for the storage, management, and analysis of imaging data, including MRI, PET, EEG, CT, as well as other type of binary data such as gait measures and pathology. BrainCODE file uploads. There are 3 possible routes to upload project data into BrainCODE from SPReD. 1. Manually upload data directly into BrainCODE via the web interface. 2. Manually upload data into a local SPReD via the web interface from which it can subsequently be automatically transferred to BrainCODE. Or 3. Arrange for an automatic upload from a flat file system into a local SPReD, which can subsequently be automatically transferred to BrainCODE. Central hierarchy of the SPReD XNAT platform. The following diagram outlines the central hierarchy within SPReD from least to most granular. Projects represent a study, for instance a clinical trial, and can only be created by database administrators. This is to ensure that projects have approval and follow the naming conventions. Projects are classified as public, protected, or private. Public projects are completely visible and usable by all users. Private projects are only visible to users who have been nominated as owners, members, or collaborators. Protected projects are in between. Their title and description are visible, but nothing more. Within a project, there are participants labeled as subjects within SPReD. Each subject can have 1 or more experiments/sessions. Experiments are a recording or image session of a single modality. Within each session, there are scans, which are a continuous data run of one type. SPReD file formats, DICOM. MR and CT scanners usually produce files in the format DICOM. This format is understood when uploaded to SPReD, and thus certain metadata is automatically extracted and displayed upon file upload. This metadata will commonly include date and operator. Other file formats within SPReD. After processing, MR and CT data files may be in different formats, for example, NIfTY. Other modalities, including EEG and MEG, have their own non-DICOM formats. These non-DICOM formats are not interpreted by SPReD. They can be uploaded, however, their contents will not automatically be interpreted. Labels such as recording date must be manually entered. The uploading method is different for DICOM and non-DICOM files. Edits and deletions on SPReD. Possible edits on SPReD. File and folder names cannot be edited in SPReD even by SPReD administrators. The only way to fix an incorrectly named file or folder is to delete it, then re-upload or recreate it. To request a deletion, first make sure you have a local copy of all data to be deleted, for example, a copy of the data on your own computer. Then complete the deletion request form and email it to spread@braincode.ca. Here is what the deletion request form looks like. Complete this form in its entirety and email it to spread@braincode.ca. Once the deletion request is fulfilled, which will be confirmed in an email from spread@braincode.ca, you should re-upload or recreate the items with the correct names. For example, if a file is misnamed, you should locate it on your local computer, rename it there, and then re-upload it. If a member would like to delete a session or subject, they may do so by editing the session or subject's name and add the suffix _deleted. SPReD security guidelines. It is the responsibility of the researcher to ensure that data transferred to BrainCODE abides by the REB-approved participant-informed consent forms of the respective institution. Please ensure you've only entered data that participants and REBs have approved to input on BrainCODE. Non-adherence to ICFs and REB authorizations regarding personal health information can be reported as a formal security or privacy incident. De-identification on BrainCODE. All data uploaded to BrainCODE is required to be de-identified unless otherwise confirmed by your IDP coordinator that your program and project are exempt from this requirement. De-identification means that all textual data, including DICOM fields that can possibly identify participants, is removed. All personal health information must also be removed from the data before uploading to BrainCODE. This will include textual information including and not limited to all 18 items listed in the U.S. HIPAA Safe Harbor Rule and identifiable faces in T1 and T2 anatomical MRIs. All images that could allow for visual identification of subjects are defaced. Sharing data on SPReD. Please note that although it is possible to do so, an individual's subject data should never be shared between their different projects. For example, when on the subject page, there will be an option of clicking on the Projects tab and selecting an option under the header Share Info. This is an unintended feature of the XNAT system that SPReD is based upon, and it should not be used under any circumstances to share user data. Do you have any questions? If so, contact a SPReD administrator at spread@braincode.ca. For more BrainCODE related questions, please contact help@braincode.ca. Next steps. Take the quiz to complete the training module for the Introduction to SPReD. Thank you for watching today's training video.